Hi, I'm with Thad West from ISOSEC. Hi, Thad.
Hello, how you doing, Martin?
Where are we?
We're here at Summit 2016, Atlassian Summit. Last day of the show, wrapping it up.
And this is the booth to be at. Why?
We are a Platinum Premier Partner, Enterprise Partner with Atlassian. We've been doing this for over 11 years, been helping bring customer solutions out into the enterprise, and we're here helping customers solve problems.
Wow, you're in the market, like the Atlassian market, for 11 years?
We started 11 years ago as delivering solutions in enterprise Java development. We bought the tools to run our consulting practice on and exposed the tools to our clients and showed them, hey, here's how we're running projects, here's how we're doing it. And they always came back and said, well, that's kind of neat. How are you doing that? We want these tools. And so we joined the program in 2008, made it official, and have been helping everybody since, helping all our customers since then.
But then you're one of the most seasoned partners that Atlassian has at all. Even in 2008, that was very early, right?
2008 was very early. They had one expert manager that covered the planet. It was kind of the Wild West, but you could see the seeds. The foundation was there. You could see the adoption rate of the tooling was really starting to take off. So we feel like we got in at a great time.
So why do customers choose your company today?
A lot of it's based just on building a relationship with customers. Our sales team actually uses the tools in their daily effort, so they really understand the application of the tools. Our head of business development actually used to be a Java developer, so he can speak technology with customers and really digging in and listening to problems as opposed to saying the tools will solve everything for you, understanding the application of the tools to the business problems.
What are you concentrating on? What are your favorite tools with Atlassian?
We've really been focusing in on, you got to have a strong competency in Jira and Confluence. Jira Service Desk has been a great one for us, so we run a lot of service desks for a lot of organizations. We do trade shows with Atlassian on that front, and then portfolio as well, because it really is, when you start moving up into the enterprise, it's the tooling that everybody wants.
Yeah, like I'm still wearing this Linchpin hoodie.
Yeah.
What do you think about Confluence as an intranet?
Again, that's one of those missing pieces out there from the stack that Linchpin has helped solve, right? Which is, there's a couple of use cases for Confluence. One of them is as a knowledge base, but then there's, it's a natural step to say, hey, this is a great way to provide content, organize, security, all these great features, and I want it to be my intranet, and the tooling just wasn't there, and that's what Linchpin is helping to fulfill.
Okay, if I'm watching this and where are you based? Like, if I'm interested in Linchpin, where is the nearest, closest by?
We're all across the U.S., so most of us sit in Phoenix, Arizona. We have offices across the U.S. We have an office in San Diego, Salt Lake City, Las Vegas, Tampa, Washington, D.C., and New York.
Oh, that's a lot. Okay, and if you're here now with your booth and your team, what are you offering? What are people talking to you about?
Really, most of the people we're talking to come to us with a problem and say, hey, we understand the tooling and we know kind of the capabilities, but we don't necessarily know how to pull it off in our organization, or maybe the tooling is ready to go across our whole organization, either in a Jira rollout, and a Confluence rollout, and hopefully a Linchpin rollout, but how do you help us take this through the organization in that kind of enterprise offering? And that's what we're talking to a lot of people about today.
What are you most excited about, what you learned at Atlassian Summit yourself?
There's some interesting product releases. The geek in me still likes kind of where where Bitbucket Pipelines is going. So container management, I think that's a very interesting thing. I think the most interesting thing is knowing that every summit I've ever been to is always the biggest summit, right? And knowing that the ecosystem, the products, the company, everything is just on a rocket ship ride up. So that's, for me, very exciting. A lot of opportunity.
Cool. Thank you very much, Zach.
Thank you.